Welcome to Partner Co., your wellness, business, and lifestyle partner. We partner with you to turn your passion into profit, transforming your health, inspiring others to do the same, and getting paid when you do. It starts with a science and nature collaboration, combining nature's healing power with cutting-edge science. From farm to pharmaceutical, our scientists reimagine your nutrition essentials by hand-picking goodness straight from the earth. Precision nutrition made precisely for you. Guaranteed, tested, and proven to help you live a healthy, balanced life. With wellness solutions that last. You inspire others to take control of their health and earn a generous commission for every product referral. It's the future of partnership marketing. We take the hard work out of entrepreneurship, giving you the tools and support to build your business in over 50 markets worldwide. Here, your hard work never goes unnoticed. Attend events to inspire when we celebrate your success. Enjoy travel rewards where you actually travel. Exotic destinations to explore with your new community of friends. Partner with us to get healthy, make money, and see the world. Welcome to Partner Co.